What's up guys, CJ Vlogs here, and today we are going to be making a video about an RC car, and we're going to try to make it go off the ramp, and we're going to put wings on it, cardboard wings, and we're going to see if it flies. Hopefully it does. I forgot to introduce myself. My name is Jackson, and my partner right here,
I'm Connor.
And today, well, let's get started.
Hey, what's up guys? This is our first ever vlog. So we will be doing a bunch more vlogs. If you're new, like, comment, subscribe, tell us what to do. And we'll probably not only be using the car, but the pool. And also probably the trampoline to do like tricks, other things like funny videos. And we will also probably be using a lot of cardboard and other stuff. So we are starting to build.
RGF Production.
For me, boys, yeah. 1738. I'm like, hey, what's up, hello? Since your pretty ass soon as you came in the door.
Now this is our masterpiece. You can see how it's aerodynamic and, well, I hope it flies.
See you out there. Oh, one other thing. Cat. Here's our masterpiece. Doesn't look too good from here, but it'll do. Hopefully go over the ramp. You ready? And now it's ramp time. What's up, fam? It is time for the best part of the vlog to see if the car will fly. We got the ramp, we got the car, and we got the skill. The question is, will the car fly?
We'll be doing 4 attempts. This is attempt 1.
All in all, the car cannot fly, even though it has wings on it, sadly. And this was our last attempt. So,
It completely
like,
broke.
it completely broke. So, peace out. See you next vlog.
So Jackson had to go eat and his friends came over, so I decided to do something a little bit stupid. That kind of success? I'll say that kind of success. The chain might have fell off. Sorry for the short video. We had to end it because we didn't have anything else to do in our first vlog. But thanks for watching and see you guys next video.